Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. I can see it's a rather large box. I'd like to thank Mirage Luxury Travel for sending this over for us to check out. I'll mark this video as a paid promotion since I didn't pay for this item here. So it's a nice large 6-watch watch roll case here. So let me get this out of here. Got a box within a box here. Sorry for all the noise. So yeah, Mirage Luxury Travel. I jumbled that up in the beginning here. They really do a nice job with the presentation here, with the double packaging, with this fabric protection here. Sure to win. I guess you can refer people to this item. So they previously sent out a 2-watch watch roll, and again this is a 6-watch watch roll. I just dropped the microfiber cloth there. It's probably not the best way to unpackage that. So you get a microfiber cloth as well. Actually, I have one over here I use quite often from the other case they sent me. I'm not even sure what color this is, so we'll discover that together here. I'm curious to see how the rolls are oriented in here. Dang it, sorry about that. Big item, just banging the camera. So it looks to be a gray color to my eye. Let me know if you agree with that assessment. Yeah, very cool. So you have slots here to keep the cushion from rocking around, which will protect your watch in here. So very nice. I will arrange some different watches in here. Weight down the lid with my old phone there. Probably not very professional like. Let's zoom in a little bit. It's a closer look at the cushions here. Still wearing the Black Bay 58. Really been enjoying this watch. I have the Uncle Seiko half link on this right there. It's getting some finish wear on it. The other links I didn't really notice that with, but no big deal since it's under the clasp here. So these watches are sized accordingly for my 6.5-inch wrist, so it does compress the cushion a bit here. So yeah, my prized watches here. This watch I've had for a long time, 12, 13 years now. This is my vacation watch. Anytime I go on vacation, I take that watch there. So let me grab some other watches and we'll put them in here. So I'll be right back. So I have an assortment of watches in here. These 5 are actually all dive watches. The Black Bay 58, SKX 009, Rolex Submariner 124060, and then another Seiko, the SPB 149, I believe, and then the Zen U50 here. And lastly, I have Grand Seiko SBGA 211 Snowflake. Every time I pick this watch up, it throws me for a loop because it's so light. Actually, let's use the Mirage Luxury Travel microfiber on this one here. So yeah, one of my favorite watches. Sometimes I think about selling it, and then I look at the sweep of that second hand with the spring drive, and yeah, I immediately changed my mind and questioned why I was considering selling it. I don't know, maybe I actually will one of these days. So let me put this one on the roll, and I want to show you something with this U50. I'm going to close out the video here. So the U50, I actually have the diver extension open. Probably adds, geez, another inch or so. So if you have a larger wrist, it might slide around on you a little bit on this cushion, but the nice thing about this is that you have these flanges on here, and then that slides into these grooves right here, so the watch isn't going to come off. It'll be secure inside the pouch there. So let's take my phone off there, and then get it closed up. So yeah, just shaking around a little bit, and open it back up here. I'm sure the watches will be fine in here. See, everything is held nice and secure in place. So again, big thanks to Mirage for sending this over for us to check out. Let me know what you guys think of this type of case. Do you take this many watches with you on vacation? I don't. I really only travel with this watch. Maybe I'll start taking another one on vacation, but I usually just travel with one watch. But this will also be a nice case to keep this in storage, in your safe, or wherever you store your watches. This will keep them protected. So if you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. It really helps me out. And as always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.